Hey guys, it's Evan. This is Tekimo News, and today we're talking about the Cat 789 haul truck. 789 haul truck, like this is just a newer version, really big dump truck for hauling big loads. So apparently they've made quite a few improvements, lots of gains here. It moves more material with less fuel, offering up to 9% reduced fuel consumption compared to the Tier 2 design. So 9%, that's great. If we're saving money on fuel, that's fantastic because fuel is darn expensive right now. So the new cab, it's more ergonomic. Next generation cab improves operator efficiency and productivity. At 17% wider, the cab's walk-through design with fully adjustable center console offers 34% more operator space, 11% more legroom, and 19% more shoulder room. You know what that means? You can fit bigger operators. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, so new speed coaching provides operators with real-time feedback on truck operation to maximize productivity. You know what that means? It means you're gonna have a computer shouting in your ear, go faster, you're going too slow, or slow down, turn left. Sounds like my grandpa. It features an extended 12,000 hour coolant life and double the hydraulic and transmission filter life to 1,000 hours to reduce service time. That's fantastic. It means we don't have to change the coolant for 12,000 hours. Giving you less scheduled maintenance, which equals less downtime, which means more time of a productive truck, making you money. So wide angle mirrors plus a bird's eye view offered by Cat Vision 360 improves visibility in the 789. Okay, a bird's eye view or having like cameras so you can see all the way around the truck, that'd be very helpful to operators. Yeah, so that's the new 789, oh my gosh. If you guys like the channel, then subscribe. Catch us talking about more stuff, more machines, more equipment. Vroom, vroom. That's what my little kid would say. Vroom.